talked about timing was a big thing for masters. I think that sometimes we get off time, and that will show immediately when you're in a competition. Get your timing on. If you do clean basics and your timing is good, you're going to place higher than if you try to do all the fancy stuff and you're off time. So timing. One of the things we do with the down and the upbeat is just a ball, like
tennis ball or a pickleball or whatever can bounce.
And go on the downbeat up, downbeat
and
up.
get that timing.
Every song,
any
every
song
you can think of, and do that. That'll
Yeah.
help with the timing. Also, you can practice your basics on your own. Training is key for masters. Get in, even if it's just on your own, get in front of a mirror and practice. One of my favorite dancers is Brandy Gill. It was Tobias. But the thing I love about her is if she's doing it basic, she looks more beautiful than anyone else out on that floor. And she doesn't do anything fancy, but her basics, she's rolling her feet, her toes are pointed, her walks and her leg lines are beautiful. Clean basics will also serve you well.
And in competition, smile.
Smile, have fun.
Let them judges know you're having a good time.
Okay, so we're going to go on to the moves.
The moves. So the first thing we taught was a crossover,
3 and
shoogie,
4, 5 and
and
6.
6.
I'm going to wait back and let him know I'm going to do something here because it's a little weight supported, right? So I'm going to do a ronde around that 7 and 8.
And then I'm going to do a 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, which is dotting the out.
Okay.
Okay?
Then we did the around the back.
We did around the back. We're going to go up over the top of her hand in a different way.
Again, I'm weighted back. I am not coming forward because he hasn't told me to go that way yet. So I'm staying weighted back.
We let go with the right hand and we bring her in and catch her shoulder. We slightly press down to say, I want you to stay here.
And I'm going to stay here. I literally do not move from this point.
Does not move. She will
Until
be turned by what I'm doing.
his body
as I come
turns
over
me.
her head, and I
as he
turn, and
starts
as I
to
start
turn,
to walk,
then I come around.
Up around
and this
her
free
arm.
spin, I'm going to do a spiral. So I step forward, spiral around, legs tight together, thighs, squeeze those thighs, and step, step, step.
anchor, step.
Okay, and then I'm back in my anchor.
Okay, from here, we're going to move off the slot with a 1,
Outward total
2,
energy.
3 and 4, 5 and 6, catching her shoulders.
And this is where I gave it some sass. Whatever looks good on you. Style all you want.
Bring her to face that way with an illusion turn. Our hands are now crossed, so I'm going to bring her out, take her around, but I'm not going to let go of the hands. I'm going to bring her by my body and let her slightly bounce
And
off
here I'm going
of
to do
me.
a body roll.
I'm going to reach back, catch her shoulder,
And I'm going to do
take
it.
her out, and anchor her back.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks, y'all.
Here I'm going to do a body roll because I stole that from. What's your name? No, what's your name? Allison. I stole that from Allison. And Steve.
Then we stole from
We
Steve.
stole from Steve.
So you can see
steal
where my
everything.
hand ends up here. So as she came in, did her thing, I'm going to reach back, catch her shoulder,
And I'm going to do it.